What do I need to say?
Recording. Oh my God! Look, old man.
The old man.
Old man. Old man.
Old man.
You might take this, man.
Wow, this one. Old man, man.
We can beat. Action, go. Come back one.
That's it already.
One more time. One more time.
Di sini nih, yang agak ini nih.
Okay, one more time. Okay, I put like this, fall down. Let's go. You gotta fall down.
Just fall down.
Yeah, just sideways. Don't break your bones. Go. Cry.
I don't want to call you no more, old man. Don't ever call me old man.
No, go back. Not what I said. Don't ever call anyone old. Go. Look down and say no. You just look down and say, don't ever call anybody old, okay? And you walk away. Let's go. Go.
Don't call me ever.
No, no, no.
Gak usah jalan.
Don't ever call anyone
Old man. Old man.
old. Even old is
Okay.
enough. Old woman. Don't ever call anybody old. Go.
Okay.
Okay. Just walk like a very, very powerful man.
So just up here.
No, you were here, right?
Yeah.
So you just say, silly young guys. You can do whatever you want to do. Silly young fellas. Don't ever call anybody young old, okay? You walk away. Walk proudly. Ready? Action.
How dare you? You go to like a. Hold on a second. Yeah.
How dare you hit my friend?
Okay.
Oh, it's running, man. I'm gonna challenge him. I'm gonna challenge him.
Old man.
Was it too fast? Too fast?